Hello, this is the code for my educational tracing program. So this whole section here is just for the Bitmoji, and these two global variables are for the scene and the color which you're going to be tracing in. And then this is just a constructor function for buttons, so it has a Y position, an X position, a height, a width, a label, a color, and this on click right here is a function that's run when a specific button is clicked. So this is the method for drawing buttons. Nothing else too special there. Um, this is a method for changing the color of a button. This just checks if the X is between the this.x and between the this.x plus width. So just if it's in between the button, whatever button you choose. This handle mouse click just checks if the mouse is within the button, and then if it is, it runs the function that's in the object. And then these are just all the objects, the buttons I made. So there's an N button for the tracing an N, and a J button for tracing a J. And all the color buttons too. And then here, I was having an issue where it wasn't showing the color of a button unless I changed it using this method, so I just did. I just changed them all. And then this is just to draw the scene 1, so that, hey, try to trace my initials, the Bitmoji, all that, and drawing these buttons. Scene 2, like this. There, all those 3 scenes. And then if mouse is clicked and if it's on scene 1, then it'll only handle this button and this button. And if it's on scene 1 or 2, it'll only handle the color change buttons. And it also draws the scene there, because I originally had it in the draw function, but it doesn't work because it draws over it. And then in the draw function, this just, if the scene is 2 or 3, it'll draw where the mouse is while you click, and then it disappears when you do it, so you can change the color. And that's about it.